My name is Pin. I'm the CEO and founder of European College of Aesthetic Medicine and Surgery, which is called ECAMS. ECAMS is a complete platform that specializes in online, hands-on, private training and clinical mentoring and also fellowship programs for aesthetic doctors and surgeons.
ECAMS was started in 2008. And the founder wanted to see that better educational opportunities were available specifically in aesthetic medicine and then in aesthetic surgery.
Since then, ECAMS has risen to become the global leader in aesthetic medicines and surgery training.
Their commitment to education means the support you receive is unparalleled. This is the very reason I choose to join ECAMS. The journey with ECAMS extends far beyond the classroom. They empower you to become an expert in your field, earning the respect and recognition of both patients and peers.
Our aim is to share all our tips and tricks, all that we developed in our own practice in our countries, and to share with the delegates in order to make things simple, but with always the first concern, which is the safety. So safe anatomy, safe layers, and simple techniques that can bring us beautiful results and long-lasting results.
And there are very few educational opportunities that can match what ECAMS provides.
ECAMS is a society, long-lasting society, that got popularity because of their courses dedicated firstly to aesthetic medicine, combining from one side science and from the other side practice. This is the spirit that we want to keep in our courses.
You get to do everything with your hands, all the sophisticated techniques from the basic to the advanced.
They learn how to treat difficult cases, revisions, and we are standing next to the candidates and show them step by step how to do it. This is not possible in their home hospital. And I can only say that this is certainly one of the best rhinoplasty courses in the world.
Our mission at ECAMS is to elevate the aesthetic standards through top-tier hands-on training and educations.
Our goal here at ECAMS is to really make sure that you master the technique, you become good at what you're doing, and that sets you apart from other programs.
Join us to expand your aesthetic skills and make a lasting impact in this field.